I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Toyota 4Runner. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is active and discoverable. Then, navigate to the audio system in your 4Runner. Look for the Setup or Menu button, then select Bluetooth from the options. Finally, choose Add New Device to begin the pairing process. This initial step sets the stage for seamless connectivity, allowing you to enjoy hands-free calls and audio streaming. Once your 4Runner is searching, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and look for your vehicle's name in the list of available devices. Select it to initiate the connection. Both your phone and the 4Runner's screen will display a 6-digit pairing code. Confirm these codes match, then tap Pair on your phone. You'll then be prompted to allow access for contacts and messages. Granting this permission enables full hands-free functionality. For a more integrated experience, connect your phone using a USB cable to enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Plug your phone into the 4Runner's USB port, ensuring your device is unlocked. The system should then prompt you to enable CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply tap Yes on the touchscreen and your phone. This allows you to access navigation, music, and messaging apps directly on your vehicle's display, enhancing your drive with familiar interfaces. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both your phone and the 4Runner's infotainment system. Sometimes, simply turning Bluetooth off and on again on your phone can resolve minor glitches. You can also delete old, unused devices from your 4Runner's Bluetooth menu to free up space and prevent conflicts. For more advanced troubleshooting or specific model information, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.